How to change your password on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your password on Twitter app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do guys is go to Twitter app. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner here and click on your profile picture. Click on it and go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it. Now choose the first option, which is your account. Now click on the change your password option here. It's the second one. Click on it, and now you need to write your current password here and your new password here, and then you confirm your new password and click update password. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.